Hey guys, it's Sharika and welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe before you leave. I would love to have you. So today we are doing some king crab. And I have some cucumbers and some BLOVES sauce here. For today's drink, we're just doing some, what do you want to name this?
A Maui Wowie.
A Maui Wowie. Made by yours truly. So y'all, today we are doing the try not to eat challenge. This is Steph and Tosh's challenge. And
No, so you're not eating?
No, this guy here won't be eating anything, okay? So let's say our grace bow your head. Please, with me. Do it with me. Come on. And this is my first time eating, so I'm so hungry. I'm hungry in real life. What do you say? Come on, can we toast, please? Thank you.
This real challenge. So she was just over here saying, oh, it's gonna be so good. We're gonna have us a good time in this video. Surprise.
Gotcha. Got him. Okay, I'm gonna start off with some cucumbers.
This is so fake. Oh, now you're doing the mukbang brand. It sure smells nice.
And that BLOVES sauce hitting, okay? Smackalicious.
I'ma smack you.
Alright. Yeah, we're gonna do this king crab. Y'all see that? Oh, I'm gonna get my towel.
I'm gonna bite it.
Okay.
Wow.
You strong. You can handle this.
Why am I here?
Y'all, I haven't had anything to eat all day. Like, it's almost 7 o'clock.
I haven't had anything to eat either. You know, I did come over here to have dinner, but yeah, okay.
Oh. Dang. You know we're gonna do this here. Alright, we're gonna do some lemon.
Yeah, and that burner.
So Wolf, what you did today, child?
You know, nothing. I didn't eat, I can tell you that. I should have ate those chicken. Someone told me to eat the rest of those chicken legs I had on that BLOVES challenge.
Oh, that chicken looks so good too.
But you was telling me, no, come over, we're gonna have dinner. I'm gonna cook us some seafood boils.
That real fake, wasn't it? You'll be okay.
This is so bad, y'all. This is it's a hard knock life. Okay.
You'll be okay. I done shared with you all your life, okay? I need some things to myself.
I'm just, and you didn't even say me no pineapples in here for me to eat.
You ate some of those before. Man, I seen them trying to sneak some pineapples, y'all. Yeah, look at this. Oh, it's dripping out my arm. You alright?
Yeah, I'm fine. I'm just gonna leave after we done.
You can eat like right after.
Cause you ain't gonna save none. She gonna save me a cucumber and a lemon.
I'm real hungry, y'all. Like, I'm really hungry. So those of you that's new to my channel, welcome. I'm Sharika.
And I'm Ryan. She didn't even introduce me.
Yes, I did. I thought I did.
I can't have no full or introduction. They like, who is that? We don't know him.
Everybody know Black Denim.
Black Denim.
What's bubblegum poppin'? That was good, right? You know
I
what I'm
can
talking
see all
about?
that running down your throat. Running down
With
your
that
cheek.
lemon, and you just cook it a little bit. Baby, boom.
Okay.
That thing is serious.
It's been a minute since I've been petty.
Now this one.
That's so bad. I thought I was just, yo, boo.
You is my boo. You my boo.
It's the fact that you ill. Fight. You know
Big
what?
facts. So when will you be recording again? Or putting up another video?
Sunday.
Oh, what will you be eating?
I don't know. I want some crawfish. And
That
some
sound
egg
good.
bones.
That sounds really good.
Yeah, it does.
Why your leg shaking so much, bro? So you keep knocking down my towel.
Am I?
Yeah, it's so hungry behind.
I just be treated.
How does it feel to just like can't eat? What does that feel like? You got people eating king crab in front of you, and you can't even get a little bite.
See, if I was like how I was my younger days, I'd just flip all this over.
That'd be so petty.
I had a real bad attitude, but I changed. I was delivered. Delivered from the post office. From Amazon.
That have stuff running down my mouth.
No, not for real. I was joking.
I was about to say. No God. You doing that right?
Yeah.
I'm telling y'all, his leg is shaking like.
Don't worry about what I'm doing. Why y'all gonna let her sit here and eat all the dang all the
Can you
crap?
open this for me?
With what?
With the cracker. Thank you. And I want it in one piece.
Yeah.
Come on, I can't get into it.
Which one you want? This first? I can't lick my fingers.
I want this one. No, you can't lick your fingers. You gotta use
The towel.
the towel. Here's yours. I've been using both of them because. Hold on now, don't mess up the meat. Let me see. You're so strong. Okay, you gotta crack it this way.
So aggy.
Show the people. Y'all, I found those seafood crackers from Walmart. Well, Tony actually found them.
I gotta do this one.
He trying to mess up my meat because he'll hate them. Come on, dude. Jesus.
Ooh, sorry.
Okay, crack the other part.
You know what?
And while he's doing that, let's get some close-ups on this meat, shall we? Don't be bangy. Look at that, y'all. It's so good.
Is it?
Mm-hmm. It's like extra good today. I don't know what it is.
I'm gonna tell Mama
Which one though?
that you binge.
That I didn't share.
Mm-hmm.
Remember that time it was raining outside and it was a big puddle and you didn't want to walk through the puddle and I didn't either, and then I said, I'm gonna tell Daddy that you wouldn't go get my car.
Good.
Right, went right out there and did. He know he's supposed to do that for his sister. You see how the meat is just like down in there, just ready for you
No,
to
because all you touching
it
is
out.
the dang on the gristle. Okay.
See, just look at this, all like the onions, the garlic, and then you gotta look at it. No, he know every time. Look at that. You know that look good. Watch this, watch this.
You better not squeeze no lemon in my eye. I know that much.
Watch this.
I don't feel anything. It looks the same.
Yeah, you can have a bite. I'll just put you like.
You know what? It's all good. Cause payback is a mother. And she real scary too.
Right, I cannot open it.
You can get that. See? You did. Need a second part here too?
Yes, because these things are sticky. Yeah, this is so delicious.
It's hollow. I thought you was about to say no, it's weak. Because you know you always gotta say something.
Don't try to lick your fingers.
I'm just gonna sip my tea.
You're doing such a good job.
I'm a soldier with this. See, when I was younger, they used to sit there and eat, and I had to watch. So that's how I learned how to cook.
That is not I didn't.
You did, but I'm gonna say they because you one of them. You're part of them.
No, I'm not.
My siblings used to do that, y'all, for real. That's how I learned how to cook. I had to cook for myself. Every man for himself.
I don't know what you're talking about, and I'm sure your mama would not appreciate you saying that.
You don't even know my mom.
You don't know my mama.
Really, everybody goes like, really, y'all got different mamas?
No, y'all, Ryan was really like my son. Oh, you wouldn't? Let him know now.
See, now you're trying to be like Nicki Minaj. I'm not your son.
You was something like it. Oh, yeah. How you doing?
So, you know what? This video need to cut. You said I had to sit here for 20 minutes. It exceeded.
That's how you do on your videos.
How
You
do
like,
they be messing with me at work? They be like, you go with the cucumber.
I'm like, good.
They be like, it's all good. Whatever. Because this will be and do.
Look at this.
I see it.
It smells good.
I don't like hot cucumber. What?
It ain't hot, boo.
It was smoking. Is this video over? Is it over, y'all? Glam babies.
This not my old channel.
Oh.
We've been talking about my old channel today. So Ryan is really stuck on that.
Pretty babies.
Period. Oh, this is a whopper. Do y'all see this? Oh my God, it's longer than my arm. Wow.
You are so children.
You are so babies. All right.
That was so juicy.
It is. It is.
Jesus. This is how your siblings do you. They catfish you. They come over to eat.
Pretty. Let's not forget that.
And our mom. That's what they do. They set you up. Now, mind you, I live on the whole other side of the bridge. Keep that in mind.
All right, y'all. This is the last dip because he tricked. Look at that, y'all.
Really?
It's so good. I can only eat 2 crab legs. King crab. Because it's so much meat. Especially when you have these big pieces right here.
Just eat it. Get it over.
I gotta pull all my stuff out. It's packed with meat. It's like full of meat. This is definitely enough for 2 people.
Oh, you don't say. You didn't even eat it yet.
Look at that, y'all.
What happened to eating pretty?
Okay guys, so I hope you're done eating. If you're eating with us, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to click the next 2 videos at the bottom of the screen, and I will see you guys on the next one. Which will look like that, but eating with us.
Exactly, with that parcel on your tooth. Okay.
Bye.
Bye.